We talk football SA. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Kinalema Pagania ni Masandawane. Baba ngabari agi happy. Baba ngabari ki happy. Uringa boti Libito. Uringa ke. Libito ki team man. Tell me. Yes. Agi happy today already. Though it feels like lose. Yeah. It feels like lose. What's the Hana? First half. Yeah. 45 minutes we were not there. Yeah. We were not there. We were fighting. But second half and Mushishi were costa. Yeah. I no retire. Yeah. After wafana wabanyana. Uni akati esingi mucho mkhulu man. Yeah. Bamfe position ni komuntu. So but hey, rtlabona tlomenya rtamenya Pirates. Iyo dalale kokulukwana. Maybe something can happen. The game is Sundowns is just setting. Usaba man. Just setting. Yeah. I knew one man any team. Yes. Suereless wounded. Remember Echoko Chodusa that bench. Yes. So you can go to Amara. We will fight until the last. Yes. So yeah. Hey, what Chabida Mapagani of Itamakus? Mapagani Abiboma. Relationship today. I was not the GNU today. We used to share. We used to share. And a 60 you should have scored that goal. Yes. Because of another King Sundowns and Pirates and the rest. Because we are league contenders. Exactly. Yeah. We are league contenders. Yeah. Number 3. Yeah. But for control, not for control. Yeah. On a team one they two. Yeah. Bagasibu. Yeah, Bagasibu. The Kawati Legi red card. Was it red card or not? Amarali and Adams man wa Palaso. Robin Mtusha Banana. Uboni Shwango. Yeah. Yeah. We won Elamatomele. Yeah. Cupido. Yeah. That one was supposed to be a red card. Yes. But what do you want? Nothing. Yes. But if football, we know there what we are. Yeah. I know.